And this is part 5 in my series of the Academy Award watches by Bulova, the ladies line. And today we'll be looking at the FF, the GG, the HH, the KK, the L, and the LL. And we're going to start with the FF. And the FF is 10 karat white gold filled. It has this really pretty scalloped design around the crystal, and it has a cream white dial with gold numbers, dots, and yellow hands. And I installed a kind of metallic gray cord band, as I believe that is what the original was. This particular watch has a 6BC 21 jewel movement and a 1951 case. This watch was highlighted in the Frank Sinatra show as one of their watches that they were advertising, and it is very pretty. And this is the GG, which is exactly the same as the FF, but in yellow. Same pretty scallop design around the crystal. And I've installed a metallic gold cord band on this one. It has the cream white dial with the gold numbers, dots, and hands. And this particular watch has a 6BC 21 jewel movement and a 1951 case. This is a very, very pretty model. Really lovely. Moving on to the HH. This one was a bit of a challenge for me to find, and I was really happy when I finally found one. And this one is a 1951 10 karat yellow gold filled case. It has a very similar pattern to the A and the J on the sides, and it has this really unique kind of scoop with the lines on it for the lugs. This is the type of band that it would have had originally. This one has a 6BC 21 jewel movement, 1951 case, and a show on the wrist on a black cord band. Just see how pretty that is. Really special line they did. And this is the KK. This one also was a bit of a challenge for me to find, and I was very happy when I finally found one. And this one is solid 14 karat gold, and it is yellow. And just look at those lugs. Boy, are they beautiful. It has a white dial with gold numbers, dots, and hands. Came with a gold snake chain. And this one has a 5AD 21 jewel movement and a 1951 case. Just really pretty. And this is the L. Again, the L was very difficult for me to find and acquire, and I believe that's because some of these models were not as popular as some of the others that are more easily available and easier to get. This one has the kind of scallop sides and the step down on the lugs. It's solid 14 karat gold, has the really pretty white dial with the dashes and dots and the gold hands. It is just really dainty and pretty. This one has a 5AD 21 jewel movement and a 1951 case. And last in this part is the LL. The LL is kind of unique in that it is 10 karat white gold filled with 2 diamonds. It's the only white gold watch that is a standalone model on its own design, and has a white dial with black numbers and black hands. Has this etching around the crystal. It's just kind of a unique, all on its own type of watch in this line. Fortunately, we have an ad that specifies that it was white, so there was no question there. And this one has a 5 AD 21 jewel movement and a 1951 case. And it is really pretty. It has a white snake chain bracelet. Really pretty.